Birthday! Birthday queen. Hello everybody. Hi, my name is Jemma if you didn't already know, and if you did know, hi, my name is Jemma and welcome back. Yesterday was my birthday. I actually just happened to order a lot of Lolita items and they came like right around the time of my birthday, so I just saved all the packages. Now we're here and I have 3 boxes to unbox for you. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the unboxing. Today I am unboxing Angelic Pretty's Holy Lantern JSK in white. I also have the matching Valletta. I also have some cotton candy feet shoes, and I also have a couple of over-the-knee socks and a bag that looks like a biscuit. Yay! I think I named all of the things that I have, but I guess the only way to find out is to start opening these boxes. So let's heckin' go right ahead. I took all the labels off of the boxes, so I'm actually not sure what box is what. So I'm just gonna open this one right here on top. Time for slicing. Slice. It's Holy Lantern. There she is. Oh wow, I opened the big one first, the main piece. I didn't mean to. I kind of wanted some suspense there, but I guess we get no suspense. Here she is. I got this off of Wonderwelt, if you guys are wondering, and Wonderwelt is a gothic and Lolita and kind of otome casual kawaii fashion secondhand shop, so this is secondhand. Let's go ahead and open her up. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There is a stain. So I got the dress on a hanger right off the bat. I don't think I saw this in the listing, but there are like a couple of smudges of black, like just right on the front, like here and here. If those spots weren't disclosed, like I would be pretty mad. So I went back and looked at the listing on Wonderwelt, and they did say some stains / minor damage, but on the listing only one stain was shown, and it was like the lighter one at the top, but the one near the bottom, that like, you know, bigger stain, wasn't actually shown in the pictures. I'm just gonna see what the dry cleaners can do, and then if they can't do anything, then I mean, it's still a cute dress. So moving on from those smudges, this is such a gorgeous dress. This color says it's white, but it's almost kind of like an off-white. We've got like the adjustable straps, they're really thin, simple straps. We've got like a layer of lace here, and this little tiny bow at the top is velvet. We've got this beautiful big bow on the waist. It is gorgeous satin black ribbon bow, and it's got these like little stars that are attached. Super cute. And the overall print, it's got some chandeliers, it's got some crosses, some moons, there's like a little bird cage, and like stars and sparkles, and the whole print is like in this velvet texture. It's really, really cute. The waist ties on the back are really simple thin waist ties, and they've got these black crosses at the bottom. It is a spooky time dress for a spooky time, and it's gorgeous and I love it. That is everything that was in that box. Let's go on to the second. I wonder what this could be. Here is my cotton candy feet order. I ordered this a very long time ago, but given like everything is made to order and, you know, shipping delays and all that, it didn't get to me until just now. I got these cute, simple Bordeaux pumps. Gotta go in for the sniff. It smells like a shoe. Oh, wow. This is really, really, really well made and adorable. Yes, I have a couple freaking dresses in wine, and I just wanted some like simple shoes to go with them. And I think that this will go amazingly with just like daily kawaii fashion as well. It's really like nice and soft and squishy, and like the material is very malleable, so that makes it really comfortable for all kinds of feet, especially like wide feet. They even have a little squishy at the bottom of your heel, so that it's really nice and comfortable. This is so cute. I'm really happy that these are here now, and now I can make even more amazing coordinates. Adorable. Yeah. All right, here is the last box. Slicey slice time. Slice. slice. All right. I see a big pink bag. It's an angelic pretty bag. Ooh. Oh yes, the usual little candy gift. These things I got off of Frill, which is a Japanese secondhand website, and I use a shopping service, and my shopping service always gives me little candies and stickers. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna start with this first thing here. I got some over-the-knee lavender star socks. I think that this just like the motifs and the color just really go with the coordinates I have in mind. It's even like got some like little sparkly glitters in it. Yeah, it's super cute. Lavender, you got some stars, some AP designs, and I didn't even know that there was glitter in it. So adorable. Can't wait to coordinate them. Here is another pair of socks. Ooh. Yes. So these are also over-the-knee socks. These are white and black angelic pretty over-the-knee socks. There is just this cute lace and bow design on it. I got this specifically to go with Holy Lantern, but I also think that this is like a really perfect, just like plain and simple white and black sock that if I ever wanted to do some like old school coordinates, I think that this would go really well with that. Yeah, I think it's a pretty versatile sock and it's just heckin' cute. The next thing is the adorable matching Holy Lantern Valletta. It's got like a little cross charm here. Do like a little like updo or something and have it peeking out back here. I think that would be really cute. I usually have to have a matching headpiece of some kind because I am a perfectionist. Here is the matching Valletta. It is adorable. And the last thing in this bag is a bag. This is a biscuit bag. It is a bag and it looks like a biscuit. But yeah, this bag is from, I believe, Swimmer. The zipper pulls are a fork and spoon. Inside there is a little pocket. Yeah, now my freaking cream cookie collection coordinate is complete. I think I am all set. All right, that is it for this unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. Happy freaking birthday to me. I got some amazing birthday goodies along with some cake. Thank you everybody who has wished me a happy birthday. That's it for this heckin' spooky unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, consider subscribing to seeing more of my content, and also follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok if you want to see how my coordinate looks. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day and keep on smiling, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.